Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix error system is registered with an entitlement server, but is not receiving updates. You can use Subscription Manager to assign subscriptions in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.1. Click on Activities. Click on Mozilla Firefox. I am going to install Google Chrome. I am opening a blog here, in which there are commands to install Google Chrome. Blog name is mytechnicalbuzz.blogspot.com. Press enter. Here it is Google Chrome installation command on RHEL 9.1. Click on Activities. Click on Terminal. Let's maximize terminal. Copy this first command. Right-click and paste on terminal. Press enter. Copy the second command. Go to terminal. Right-click and paste on terminal. Press enter. It's asking to password, then install Chrome. Type the ROHIT user password. As you can see, it is showing error. This system is registered with entitlement server, but not receiving updates. You can use Subscription Manager to assign subscriptions. Go to blog again. Let's drop down little bit. See, fix this error solution. We have to run all these commands one by one. And you will also find all these commands in the description box. Copy this command. Paste on terminal. Press enter. Copy this command, Subscription Manager remove all. Paste on terminal. Press enter. Copy this command, Subscription Manager unregister. Paste on terminal. Press enter. This command is unregister the Linux Subscription Manager. Copy this command, Subscription Manager clean. Paste on terminal. Press enter. All local data is removed. Copy this command, DNF clean all. Paste on terminal. Press enter. Copy this command. Paste on terminal. Press enter. Copy this, Subscription Manager register. Paste on terminal. Press enter. It's required to register the subscription need Red Hat account username and password. Press enter. Type password. Press enter. Go to blog again. Copy this command, Subscription Manager attach auto. Paste on terminal. Press enter. As you can see, Registration successful. As you can see the status, subscribed. Copy this command, subscription manager list. Paste on terminal. Press enter. See the installed product status, product name, status detail December 18, 2022 to December 18, 2023. Status, subscribed. Type exit then press enter. Session is log out. Let's close terminal. Now I am going to install Google Chrome. Copy the second command. Open the terminal again. Let's maximize terminal. Right-click and paste on terminal. Press enter. Type password. Press enter. Press Y then press enter. Press Y then press enter. Press Y then press enter. Now our Google Chrome installation is completed on RHEL 9.1. Let's close terminal. Close web browser. Click on Activities. Click Show Application. As you can see, our Google Chrome is here. So viewers, in this video you can learn, this system is registered with an entitlement server, but is not receiving updates, and how to install Google Chrome on Linux. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.